all of you guys. I did before Sujok, so it was actually a very good compliment to Sujok learning. So I'm very happy that I did. I've always read about this color therapy and I didn't know how the hell is that working. But I think after our session, I can link the dots. And I've did small things already at home. For example, somebody said at home they feel very windy. And I said, okay, let's apply light blue color and things like that. And eventually they said, okay, well, they feel much better. So I must say, it's small things that did make a difference. I also just want to compliment you. I think the way that you interacted with all of us, the way that you did manage all of us, and I think also the way that you did explain things to us was very good. So I really appreciate it, and I'm very thankful to be part of your class.